Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Theo. Guys, and I know it's been a minute, but I'm so excited about this one. You won't believe today the prank that I have for you guys. And just leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Cause it's about to be a crazy ass video. In such offer. Oh, man.
Ngithenga iqala lokho bebengiqala manje sebethi ngubani isikhokho sebengiqamba bona
I don't know, but I think it's Calvin on the beat.
Fede bari dinta Bana kudi kone Abarkaba bari skipper Skipper lap Abankaba bari ita Skipper Abarabona bari ita Skipper Esinstuka nale magenge khalari di pula Abi ekna fu.
Yo, what's up guys? First of all, and first and foremost, Linjan, no, it's been a minute. I feel like before I started making pranks and other contents and stuff, there are a few things that need to be addressed. Firstly, one, I'd like to say thank you. We are on 5,120 subscribers. Let's clap hands. Is my head looking okay? Because you see, after that whole drama that I did there, you see, I have to see that the head is okay. We are on 5,120 subscribers, guys. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Keep it up. I'd like to say thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I remember when I started, nearly 10 subscribers. I said, can you please subscribe, comment, share? And I was happy when I got to 1,000 subscribers. Then I got to 2,000. Now it's go 5,000. Now road to 10K, 100K, 1 million, guys. I feel like we've been here for a minute. Now it's time to really do. So I would like to say thank you for your continued support, guys. Because without you, I'm peed. Obviously, nyapila ngoba I put the oxygen. But you get what I'm saying. The niggy purpose to continue just living and doing all that good stuff, because it's been a minute. We came from Ushuta and say Ruminam in Shuta with just a phone. Skin is feeling correct. Send my chance and send I wanna say member is serious. So with that said, I feel like this year or from going forward, so I'm a video serious, guys. I've taken. Mostly last year I wasn't active on YouTube because I wanted to really perfect my skill of making content, because I want to deliver the best content possible for you guys. I want to make stuff that's international. I want people to watch my stuff not just because I'm from Blawayo or just because I'm from Zimbabwe. I want people to watch my stuff because it's fire. I want even like a person from fucking China to be looking at my shit. I'm like, Shin, huh? Shin fire, huh? I don't know how to speak Chinese. I thought I had it, but turns out I didn't have it. So that's what I'm saying. I feel like this new journey for me, it's more of me doing stuff, man. It's more of me just putting myself out there, as usual, doing some crazy shit. But doing some crazy shit with some proper quality and dope edits. You get me? Because I've been working on trying to improve my skills. So I feel like it's now time for me to put ground on work. Some people say I always say, hey, I drop my video and then I don't drop. I'm sorry for that. But I was at a space which I wasn't happy with the type of content that I was making, and I knew as a person I needed to improve so that I grow, because growth is important, guys. And I feel like at this point going forward, I'm gonna be showing some growth, and for those who are still here, I know abanye are no longer here, but those who are here, thank you for being here. I love you. Finna give you a hug and a kiss. Yabo. Nyawazi umchita zuzibuzile awufa Kyle side. The kiss was for Amachere. Now ungumember uzaphiwa kiss ngumamakho afunjwayela ku. Don't man thathi kiss yang man thathi. Enye phela yapsicovile khona amachita yamungeke wa trust. Yabo. So that's what I wanted to say. I wanted to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. Let's take it to 1 million. Let's take it to 100K. We need the plaque. We need the motherfucking 100K plaque. Okay, no saying fuck. Okay, shit. We need that 100K plaque, guys, by all means. So this year we're coming back. Vlogs, pranks, whatever, content all over, every day if possible. Not possible, but maybe twice a week. I'm gonna try because I've even stopped making, for those who maybe follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I used to make like a mask skits, but I'm thinking of stopping those for a minute so that I focus fully on YouTube. Because YouTube is my love, guys. It's my love. I started making videos because I wanted to be a YouTuber. So I feel like, instead of saying I want to be a YouTuber, I'm now being a YouTuber. By fire, by force, with country. What else? Oh, secondly, I would say, I don't know, I'm not a man of many words. I felt to express myself. If maybe you know me, if you are on my WhatsApp contact list. If you're not, there's a link in the description. You can join my WhatsApp group. You can chat like in person. I don't reply that much sometimes, but I reply whenever I get the time because I get busy. I'm also human, guys. I'm sorry. But I'm not someone always who's express, and the only way I can express myself is through this content that I make. And the fact that there are people out there who really watch my videos, and even in I meet some of you guys, I like your stuff, dope content. It's really moving. The fact that something that I make can make someone happy or someone laugh or someone smiles, that's like a blessing from God. It's like a gift. And I think I've been sleeping on this gift for a minute now, so now I have to really go full in. So it's about to be a crazy time. It's about to be a crazy time. I'm coming in full force as hell. You feel me? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being here with me. Can you do me a favor? If you're watching this, comment down below where you're watching this from. I want to see Utilingapi. If you're in Zimbabwe, say Zimbabwe. But if you're in Bulawayo, comment Bulawayo, because Bulawayo is a different country. If you're in Singapore, just comment the country that you're watching from. Even the city also where you're watching this from. Go to the City Connect. And those who want to join my WhatsApp group, you can join. And thirdly, I feel like I've reached a point in my life where I have to change my name so that I separate my personal life and the content creator. Because when I started making my videos, I thought people were not going to watch. But now that people are watching, I feel like it's not mentally good for me to keep calling myself Langa Ndimande. Because guess what? That's my real name. So I thought maybe I should just switch it up. So from today onwards, I'm gonna be called Steve-O. I wanted to call myself Mavies, but I don't know why. So, but I'm still gonna go with it. So Nzabang Steve-O Mavies, but then just Steve-O. On all social media platforms, it's gonna be Steve-O. The E would have the 3, and then the O would be a 0. So Steve-O. Tell a friend. What does Steve-O stand for? Steve-O stands for strength. I'm still working on the abbreviation. Talent, entertainment, violence, obvious. No. Oriented, Oreos. Strength, talent, entertainment, violence, Oreos, oriented channel. This channel is just me being me throughout. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you for the love and support, and please don't stop supporting me, because I am nothing without you guys. I'm really nothing. Thank you so much. Tanda Donke, wherever you are, I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support, and I promise you good content is coming your way. So bye. That was weird. I'm not gonna do that. I'm now Steve-O. Steve-O is a serious shit. Bye bye.
Yeah, I'm on my way, I'm coming. Don't lose faith.